Hi, I wanted to show you my new rice cooker, which is cooking right now. It's cooking just plain white rice. And I just wanted to show you it and maybe explain to you in case you have this rice cooker. It's a Korean rice cooker by Kuku, which is I think the #1 brand of rice cookers in Korea. And I got this because I live in Italy and the power is the same as in Korea and the plug is the same as in Korea, so it's really easy to convert. I don't need a power converter or whatever. And so let me explain the buttons. What I did was beside my rice cooker or near my rice cooker, I'm actually going to move this rice cooker. Right now it's here because I don't have a plug in the other place, but we're going to put a plug in the other place. So it's going to work there after. Okay, so I'll just show you what I did. I basically made this little sheet and I put it on the wall where I explain the buttons. So the first button, well, it goes around this way. So the first button will be start, and if you press it 2 times, it's fast cooking. So it'll cook the rice faster. And so usually I just press that, and that's it. The other one is cancel. The next one is cancel. And then there's a button here which is for setting the cooking time or for the timer. And then there's the menu button. So this one I'll use a lot too. When you press the menu button, on the screen you have these symbols here and you can choose them using the menu button. You can choose these. So depending on what kind of dish you want to cook. So the first one is white rice. Generally I just press start and it automatically selects that one. Then the next one is brown rice. The next one is mixed grain. The next one, I first originally thought it was congee or porridge, but it's not. It was soup for soups or stews. The next one was for steamed dishes, so you can steam vegetables and steam things. The next one was congee or rice porridge. I'm used to calling it congee because I'm from Toronto and there's a lot of places, congee places, and I used to eat congee a lot. Then this button is for timer, and for this button, if you press it 1 time, it warms it up. And if you press it 2 times, it reheats it. So I guess this one is faster though. This one makes it a little warm. This one actually would make it hot. I don't know. I didn't really use them yet. So yeah. So I made this little sheet and I'm gonna put my rice cooker here. And yeah, so we don't have we have to put a thing there, an outlet there. Okay. Ta-da! Hello! Okay, so I'll show you my rice cooker again. And ta-da! Okay, so this is the start button. Sorry, the sun might be at start. Fast cooking. What was that again? That was cancel. This is the menu. And these buttons on the sides are just for setting time. This is usually hours and this is usually for minutes. I'm not really into timers and setting it. I don't really need to do that. Then these are the other buttons. So this is warm, reheat, and that one, what was that again? Timer. So I don't use that. But yeah. So now it's just cooking, and here will be when you press menu, then you can choose here they have the choices here. So it would be white rice, brown rice, mixed grain. That means you can put beans, grains, and rice also. And then here was the stew porridge. Here was steam, and then the last one was for congee. Cool. Okay, so yeah, I love this rice cooker so much. It's like my baby now. I use it every day now. I've been waiting for a long time to buy a rice cooker. I actually got it from eBay, and the seller was Green something. Green Some, I think was the name of the seller, and they're really, really good. I left a really good review for them too because um, I had a lot of questions about, they explained to me how to do everything in English. They answered all my questions really quickly. They they sent it over, and it was really fast shipping and everything. It was they're a South Korean seller, so yeah, it was really good. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Bye bye.